All right, I'm going to do a quick little video today to demonstrate if these things work. These are these new kind of connectors. They're basically a piece of heat shrink material with a little seal that will make them waterproof. But the trick is this centerpiece, which is a low temperature piece of solder that when you put the pipes, your wires in there, that solder will melt together and create a solder connection rather than just a crimp. So typically when you needed to crimp together a couple of wires, you'd get a couple of different connectors, standard, slot connectors. You crimp them in place and you set up a couple of pieces of heat shrink on either end of the wire. And the problem with that heat shrink is, it gives you good insulation, but it's not necessarily waterproof. I purchased this particular product on Amazon. It's kind of a knockoff, but we're going to see how well it works. But I needed this for an outdoor project that's some electrical wiring in my yard. So it's going to be subjected to the weather and rain and whatnot. So we want to get it waterproof. And these specifically say that they're waterproof. So, let's see how that works. What I'm going to do today is just kind of demonstrate how this stuff works. Now, normally when you're going to melt heat shrink, some people use like a little Bic lighter or something. I have a nice hot air gun that's going to do that job. So let's go ahead and have a look and see how this goes. So now the trick here is you want to get the wires all the way through so that solder gets into both ends, right? So let's go ahead and put some wire in here. Get this to the middle. Put another piece of wire in here. I've already stripped it. All right. All right, get that through. And you just want the two pieces to overlap. See how I've got them overlap like that? All right, let's go ahead and get the heat gun going. Try not to burn ourselves. I'm going to start by getting it so that the heat shrink itself is going to keep the wires from moving back and forth. There you go, that'll grab that wire. Get this wire. All right, that's not going to go anywhere. Now let's go ahead and get the solder connection nice and hot. I'm going to try to hold this so that it doesn't burn me and I can keep it in the frame. I don't want to make the wires. Here we go. All right. Now let's see how that solder can melt. Well, there you go. I can see it melting already. That is pretty cool. Okay. There's our connection. See if we can get it in focus. There's our connection right there. You see the solder melted in there. Oops. And the heat shrink has shrunk around the edges, and it definitely feels like it's nice and snug. All right, so that's a successful weld. I think that's going to be really great. The temperature sensor on my pool equipment will be able to stay nice and waterproof and get a good connection. Now, if I can just keep rats from eating the wire, then that would be the next step. So that's all I have for today on this quick little video on these solder-proof connections, these solder connections. I'll put the a link in the description to how to find these on Amazon. That's all I got. Cheers.